Abstraction is the process of hiding complex, unnecessary details of how something works from the user, leaving them access only to what they need to properly use it. An example of abstraction in the physical world can be seen in a soda vending machine. Inside the machine, there is a complex computer controlling many things so that it functions properly. However, as the user, all we use the machine for is to get a drink. Thus, our options are limited to buttons to select our drink and places to input and receive money. The rest is abstracted away to avoid confusion. A common example of abstraction in programming is when you use a function for a pre-made class. Here's the documentation for an absolute value function in Java's math class. All it really tells us is that if we put in a number, it will return its absolute value. Even though it's not a lot of information, it's all we need to know because we just need to know that it's going to work. We don't need to know how it's going to work. One of the most important uses of abstraction in programming is to create objects. Here's an example of a binary tree, which is an object you'll run into a lot. Here's an example of a binary tree represented by an array of strings. Now all it's left to do to abstract your object from the user is add methods to your class so the user never knows they're really working with an array rather than a binary tree.